How to install apps without Apple ID password. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Screen Time. Make sure you have enabled Screen Time. Now scroll down, go to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle on for this option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. With that, you're gonna get different options. Now open this option, iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you're gonna get this section of required password, set it to don't require. After you set that, head back, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head towards the option of Face ID and passcode. Type in your phone's passcode. Now over here you will find this option of iTunes and App Store. Toggle off for this option. Now you can close this and open your App Store. Now you can search for any app and try to download it. It won't require any password. So this is how you can easily install apps without Apple ID password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.